Now with NBC6 meteorologist Ryan Phillips tracking the slow-moving storm. Ryan.
All right, Johnny, you see the angry seas behind Jay there on Carolina Beach, but flooding really the concern at this point. If we dial back as the storm started to impact the Carolinas here, we've already accumulated over 30 inches of rain in Swansboro. Morehead City, about 2 feet of rain. That's where the National Weather Service office is, and also Wilmington, where the National Weather Service office is. 12 inches of rain. And North Myrtle Beach now seeing these rain accumulations into South Carolina, nearly 7 inches. And these totals just take us to the midday hours today. We will still add on to that as we go through the evening and overnight hours tonight. This is the last 18 hours. Notice how southeast North Carolina just pummeled here with bands of heavy rain and the threat for tornadoes. Now, just in the last 3 hours, as we widen out, we're watching some of the heavier rains start to cycle through western North Carolina, heading up towards Charlotte, and again the moderate rains continuing across South Carolina. So the storm is just inching along, as Jay had mentioned. We've got a system now that is only just slowly pulling off to the west, drawing in all this moisture off the Atlantic waters and keeping the threat for flooding rains very high. Winds at 45 miles per hour. Tropical Storm Florence still slowly on the move to the west at 2 miles per hour, barely getting a nudge. It will by Sunday afternoon, and the remnants begin to move up into the Appalachians, then eventually into the northeast. So that flood threat and heavy rain threat will continue to expand, but just in the next few days we could see an additional 10 inches of rain across North Carolina.